up, everyone? Today I'm just gonna do something simple. Anybody that's trying to upgrade their lights, today I'm gonna be doing it on my Fiat Abarth. And I upgraded the LEDs before, but it was a kit, which I thought it was gonna help, but it didn't help at all. For the fact that my front windows tinted 15% on the tint, especially in the rain or at nighttime. I have to literally drive with the high beams on, and even that I can still somewhat see. And this is the first LED kit that I got. I forgot the name of this one, but this one's only two-sided. It helps if you're trying to change up the style on your lights, trying to get rid of that ugly yellow, whatever that stock, and you just want to go with white. That's what I went with for the meantime. I've been rolling with those for a little over a year. It's been a minute, but I decided to upgrade them just for the fact I've been slow playing, and we went and we'll go ahead and order IRONWALLS. So I'm gonna test these out. Hopefully I'll be able to see. Now, compared to what's the difference, this one is 6 LEDs. And I just opened up the kit and I noticed compared to this one does give you an extra, the harness, give you some play room. But unfortunately this one doesn't. This one should just plug up to your stock harness and you should be able to go. But hopefully I'll be able to see, and it should be much brighter at night with these, hopefully. Like I said, if you have no tint, maybe you'll be able to see with those other ones, but at the same time, you know, who the hell doesn't want tint? But we'll give these a try, you know. If they work, they work. Like I said, I paid about 29 bucks on eBay, and like I said, they're IRONWALLS. IRONWALLS, this is it. But this is a plug and play. It just plugs into your harness and that's it, and you're ready to go. But like I said, this one, same thing, it's a plug and play, but this gives you more slack if you're not trying to, whatever. But who knows? We'll give it a go. Like I said, this is the only ones that I found that I'm going with 6. I think there's different styles. I said you got 2, then you got 4, and this one's 6. So I just went with 6. And this is a 6, like I said, the IRONWALL, and this one's the 6K. Plug and play. That's it. Not hard. If you know what you're doing, damn simple. Nothing hard. If you ever change out your light bulbs, they're easy, but everybody's vehicle is gonna be different compared to what you have done to it, because all you gotta do is remove a lid. That's about it. I'll probably just show a video here. And in fact, also my reservoir, it's a different style compared to the OEM one. Compared to when I order it, I think they're notorious for breaking on those reservoirs on top of it. And I pretty much got a different one. It sits long ways. You'll see here in the video, but it's not much. Saw in the video how mine, you can just pretty much, I can get through it without taking anything off. But I'm not sure on the right side. You might have to remove or disconnect your reservoir to just give you more room to pull it out. But yeah, you really didn't need to disconnect shit and remove shit. Real simple. I was just gonna talk about the LEDs, that's about it. All we're gonna have to do is just wait and the results. And then before it goes daytime, we go to nighttime. So it's nighttime, it's pitch black. So right now, like I said, my front windshield is 15% on the tint, and we're gonna turn on the light as for regular. I can see more of improvement compared to the other ones. These are more brighter. Like I said, if you don't have a front windshield tinted, if yours is just regular, this is how it'll look outside. So here's with the high beams on. which I can somewhat see it compared to the video. It doesn't do justice, but I'm gonna turn them off and I'll hit the high beams, camera facing out. Now I'll give you high beams. But overall, I can say they are a little bit brighter. You do have to go adjust. That's what I was doing. I was adjusting the level of the lights, and all I can say, yeah, they're better compared to the ones I had. Like I said, if you have no tint, you have no issues. These will be bright, and these will be good for you. And like I said, if you want that white, these are the 6K ones with the 6 LED ones. Other than that, like I said, if you have 15%, that's 15% with the lights and the fog lights on. Not much of a difference. And like I said, if you go with that 15%, just expect it. Don't expect much. But for this, for your money right here, I'd say it's worth it, especially the ones that don't have tint, because these will light up the ground and you'll be able to see. All right, guys, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one.